Hey, what's up, guys? So my injectors came in today. I ordered some ID 1000s. They look pretty clean. Let's see this. I don't know if you guys can see that. Yeah, I already pulled the fuel rail out, and it's pretty flippin' dirty right there. So previously what I was running were some OEM, what is this, Denso injectors out of Hawkeye WRX. I forgot what year, but I believe these are 560 cc's. I had some 410, is it 410? Yeah, RDX injectors. And they came with these pigtail deals. You can see right there. And the pigtails, obviously they fit to the K24 side, but they would not quite fit right into that little deal. So what I did was I just basically trimmed all the outside off. It looks kind of ugly, but this rubber seal actually sealed pretty well in there. Never had any issues with them disconnecting or anything. And you could throw, a band of tape or zip tie if you want. But I didn't have any issues with them. I did have to use my own O-rings. I just went to Napa and bought an assorted kit of fuel resistant O-rings. So not the prettiest, but I got these injectors for, I don't know, 70 bucks off of a buddy, and it got the job done for me. But now moving on to bigger and better things. So let's see what we got in here. Looks like they came, yeah, it looks like we got to basically splice it into the wire harness. Yep. This actually works out perfect. So I'm gonna leave these guys here intact. I'm not gonna touch nothing with them. What I'm gonna end up doing is actually just gonna take these right here and splice these right into here. So bam, I can plug that back into the car, plug these into the IDs, and boom, I don't have to cut the OEM wire harness. Perfect. Alright, so here you go. Got them all crimped. Yeah, I could actually go on injectordynamics.com and they have a video showing how to do all that. Luckily they sent an extra piece because I was having issues with the first one. Yeah, I don't know if you guys can see that, but the middle piece where we actually crimped the wire, I crimped it flat, and if you ever have done these or are planning on it, you'll know what I mean. I had to actually crimp it in and kind of round it so it would fit in there a lot better. I was having issues with that, and this one kind of got screwed up. So got the injectors all installed. Now I'm gonna get my car tuned in 2 days. So I was told by the tuner I should be fine to fire up the car. I probably won't drive it though, but what I am going to do right now is get into Honda and change my injector size.